Long meetings can consume hours of productive time, but AI-powered summarization tools are changing that. These systems use automatic speech recognition to transcribe conversations, then apply natural language processing to extract key points, decisions, and action items. The result is a concise summary that can be reviewed in minutes rather than hours. However, effectiveness depends on audio quality, speaker clarity, and the AI's ability to distinguish between small talk and substantive content. Most tools allow users to customize summary length and focus areas, such as action items or risks. While not perfect, they excel at capturing facts and deadlines, making them invaluable for project teams and busy professionals. To get the best results, ensure a quiet environment, identify speakers clearly, and review the summary for accuracy. With these practices, AI meeting summaries can reclaim significant time each week, turning marathon meetings into manageable, actionable notes.